ATM, T Diddy, Eagle Dollar, addicted to this money, my nigga. Let me tell you niggas, man, it's on. Don't push that button, don't push that button, don't push that button, my nigga, don't push that button, don't push that button, don't push that button, don't push that button, my nigga, don't push that button. It's T Diddy, nigga, I came from that block, I'm trying to tell you, nigga, it need to stop. The violence in the hood going out like Suge, nigga, you need to get this fucking wood. Yes, that gold story been told. I'm trying to tell you, nigga, the violence, it got old. Niggas killing kids, niggas killing the future. I'm trying to come like this, nigga. I'm talking to the shooter on that block, nigga. F the cops and F a sellout, nigga. I'm trying to mail out on this dough. Came out on the 3rd, hang on the 4th. The deuce, niggas know it's Diddy. I come back, nigga, and feed the city. I'm trying to let you know, hater nigga, I leave you shitty on that block, nigga. I make a knot, and I scream all the time. It needs to stop.
Hey, I can't trust you, niggas. Can't trust you, niggas. Can't trust you, niggas. Hey. I can't trust you, niggas. I can't trust you, niggas. I can't trust you, niggas. Ayy, I left the block, nigga. They say I was dumb. They never say I reached the things like Pop. Now I got the rings. Yeah, my name Pop. They bust them shots, nigga. I never forgot. That was crazy, nigga. That was fugazi. It kinda hurt me, young nigga. Yeah, he bust some tears. They tryna put my boy on the shirt. They don't wanna see him reappear, nigga, and reach his jeers. But check me out, young nigga. Yeah, I made it out. I had to change my mindset, nigga, and get the state, nigga, and change the states. Young nigga over here tryna reach, young nigga tryna teach. God said, young brother, yeah, go and preach to these niggas that's dumb. Yeah, sitting about a hun. Young nigga, you play with that gun, I be creeping on your ass. They tryna put you in a cast. You better watch out and pass. This shit is critical.
I'm telling you, man, don't push that button, man. The nigga's versatile, you know. I could be your friend, I could be your worst enemy, nigga. But I'm telling you on this, I'm saying get your mind right, my nigga. Yeah, don't push that button. I said, don't push that button, my nigga. Don't push that button, my nigga. Don't push that button, my nigga. I'm saying get your mind right. You know, you can do anything that you put your mind to, man. You know, it's no reason for, you know, for us to be killing each other, my nigga. You know what I mean? You know, life is valuable. I'm saying accomplish your dreams, man.